Is the Streamline DLSS module DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. I recommend the automated system scan for Streamline DLSS module to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Streamline DLSS module. This is the core NVIDIA DLSS, deep learning super sampling, library used in modern OAA titles to provide AI-driven upscaling. It interfaces directly with the GPU's Tensor cores to reconstruct high-resolution frames from lower-resolution inputs. If missing, the DLSS option will be grayed out in the game settings, or will cause a crash during the graphics engine initialization phase. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. For errors involving Streamline DLSS module, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files, and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Streamline DLSS module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the graphics library is still causing trouble, we will move on to a clean driver installation, and you must run Display Driver Uninstaller, known as DDU, to remove every trace of your current display software. Reinstalling the official driver package from the hardware manufacturer after a full wipe is the most reliable way to fix a corrupted DLL reference. Why are we doing this? Well, driver files are frequently locked by active processes, and using an uninstaller in safe mode is the only way to ensure the old binaries are fully replaced by new ones. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. It is important to avoid manual installation of Streamline DLSS module DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. A maintenance path for Streamline DLSS module and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Streamline DLSS module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.